crystal that watching movies can improve our language abilities to a very high extent. In this video, I'm going to introduce 7 masterpieces of French cinema to you so that you can improve your French language abilities by watching them. Stay tuned and list these films and put them in your watching list. Piano Teacher, which is also my very favorite one. In this movie, you can hear lots of conversations and dialogues played by Isabelle Huppert, which is a very famous and well-known actress in France. By these conversations, you can improve your vocabulary as well as your grammar and lots of expressions you will learn. Don't miss it. One of my suggestions. 2. The Dreamers. By watching this movie, you can not only improve your French language, but also you can learn about contemporary France history, as well as some politics and stuff like that. So don't underestimate it if you have some intentions to immigrate to France, for example. 3. The Untouchables. If you have lost some extent of motivation in your life, watch this movie. It will help you. You can learn lots of current French idioms in this movie as well. The conversations are amazing. 4. Et la vie en rose. By watching this movie, you can get to know many classy words in French language. Because in this dynamic piece of cinema, there are lots of them, and you can absolutely boost your vocabulary here. Don't miss it. 5. Et amour, meaning love. Although you won't hear lots of conversations or sentences in this movie, the ones that you hear are so deep and memorable that will remain in your mind forever. The portrait of a lady on fire is numéro 6. Conversations in this movie are so simple and fluent that you can watch this movie even without any subtitle. You can try it. It's a nice practice. The last one is perhaps the most famous one. Amelie. You won't hear lots of conversations, sentences, or maybe words in this movie, but you can enjoy it visually. If you want to watch something about France or French culture, you could for sure watch it and enjoy it to the most. Well, this was my list. Maybe the first list of mine in French movies. Have you ever watched one of these? If you have, please type in the comments that which one is your favorite one. I want to know about your opinions about them. I'll be glad to. Thank you.